Here's another example where we're given a linear equation, or actually the graph of a linear function, and we are asked to identify the slope, the x-intercept, and the y-intercept. It's pretty obvious here what the y-intercept is. It's at -3. Okay, so we know that the y-intercept is 0, -3. X equals 0 because it's on the y-axis, and y is -3. Now the x-intercept, I'm not exactly sure where that line is crossing the x-axis. So I know this point here is -2, 1. And so I'm going to work with these 2 points, which is the y-intercept and then this point, to get the equation of the line. And then from there, I can find the x-intercept. So I'm going to find the slope. Now, one way of looking at a graph and just readily identifying what the slope is, you can use the formula, but you can just look at the graph and calculate the rise over the run. So the rise in this case is a fall, because if we go from left to right, we're moving from this point to this point. Notice that we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So the fall is -4. And then the run, if we move from this point to this point, the run is going to be 1, 2. So I have -4 over 2, so my slope is -2. And I didn't have to use the formula for slope, because I have a graph here and I can just kind of visually see what the rise and run is. So my slope is -2 and my intercept is -3. So I have the equation for my line is y equals -2x minus 3. And now we're asked to find the x-intercept. So, by the way, they didn't ask for the equation, but the slope is -2, so I'm going to put that up there. So this is the last piece of information that I need. And the way we do that is we set y equal to 0, and that will give us the x value where y is 0, which is line on the x-axis. So to find the x-intercept, set y equal to 0. And so doing that, I get 0 equals -2x minus 3. I'm running out of room here, so when I add 2x to both sides, let me take it up here. So I have 0 equals -2x minus 3. And when I add 2x to both sides, I get 2x added to 0 gives me 2x. And if I take 2x added to this, it's going to go away, and I have 2x equals -3. So I just added 2x to both sides of the equation to get 2x equals -3. And now I'm going to divide by 2, and I see that x is -3/2, which is -1 1/2. So this is the x value of my x-intercept. And that's exactly what it looks like on the graph. It looks like it's at -1 1/2 or -3/2. But just to be sure, it's good to set your y equal to 0 and then solve it symbolically.